Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Sapsige idli. Sapsige is nothing but dill leaves, and here in Karnataka, dill leaves are used in many dishes. It's very tasty, it's packed with iron and really good for ladies and children. So these dill leaves are very tasty, there is no compromise on taste whatsoever. The process to prepare this dill leaves are very simple. You have to clean the dill leaves first. For this recipe, we'll need only the tender dill leaves. So my mom has already started to clean the dill leaves. She's separating the tender dill leaves only. We need not use the stems. Stems are used normally for gravy and even to prepare stir fries. But for this particular recipe, we need only the tender dill leaves. So we are separating the dill leaves and we are going to wash it thrice, then chop it finely and use it for the idli. I've gone ahead and laid out all the ingredients that are required for preparing these Sapsige idlis or leaves idlis. I've already shown you how to prepare idli and dosa batter. I'll post the link to the recipe how to prepare idli and dosa batter. I'm using my homemade idli and dosa batter for this recipe. It is very simple. You can prepare this in bulk and store it in the refrigerator, and you can prepare variety of dosas and idlis. Apart from that, we'll require finely chopped coriander. This is about 5 to 6 sprigs of coriander, 1 inch ginger, and 8 to 10 chilies paste. Just the chilies and ginger, which is ground into a smooth paste. The dill leaves are already cleaned. It is washed thrice and finely chopped and reserved. We also need to finely chop and reserve the onions. Adding onions is optional. You can add it or you can leave it out. That is totally up to you, because some people add onions and some people don't like it in the morning, so you can leave that out. We also require cooking soda and asafoetida. I always choose Freedom sunflower oil. It's less absorbent and enriched with vitamin A, D and E, which makes it best for everyday use. Let's get started with the recipe. I've heated a pan. To the pan I've added sunflower oil. We need to fry all the ingredients that we need to add to the idli batter. So if we cook the dill leaves a little bit, it will be easy for us to chew. It will not have that raw texture or taste. So I've also added ghee to the pan. Now once the oil and ghee heats up, I've added the masala paste. That is ginger and chilies masala paste I've added. I'm going to fry the ginger and chilies paste till the raw flavor has gone. And to the masala paste, I've added a pinch of asafoetida, onion, and curry leaves. Fry the onion, curry leaves, and ginger and chili paste for a minute's time, or till the onion turns transparent. Now we'll be adding the dill leaves and coriander leaves. We'll fry the dill leaves. The dill leaves will eventually wilt down. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with measurements will be in the description box below this video. Now once the dill leaves have wilted a little bit, I've added salt and a splash of water. I'll be covering this and cooking this for a minute's time. Now my dill leaves have cooked. It took me roughly about a minute's time to cook the dill leaves. Always cook the dill leaves and then prepare this idli. Otherwise it has that raw flavor and even the texture in the dill leaves is not that very good. Now to the idli and dosa batter, I've added the cooking soda. For extra shine and texture or good taste, my mom gave this tip. to add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil to the batter. Your idlis will also turn out very fluffy and it will have that shine. So that's why we add sunflower oil. This is a small tip given by my mom. Now we'll be adding the dill leaves masala that we prepared. Allow the dill leaves masala to cool down a bit, then add it to the batter. Now you need to check for salt, add salt as per taste, and mix this dill leaves thoroughly. You need to beat the idli and dosa batter for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and you need to mix this dill leaves evenly in that batter. Once we have mixed the dill leaves in the batter, we need to allow this to rest for 5 minutes. Just cover it and allow it to rest on the kitchen counter itself for 5 minutes. Now we'll start preparing the idlis. So we have to prepare the idli molds or the idli stand. Now we are just oiling that idli plates, and we have also placed a cooker with water for steam cooking these idlis. So the steam is building up. Freedom sunflower oil does not have any sort of flavor or smell. It is very good to grease your idli molds and even your cake molds. Now my mom is starting to beat the batter thoroughly. This is to ensure that more air is filled in the batter and your idlis turn out fluffy, and the leaves will also get mixed well in the batter. So beat it thoroughly and then pour your batter to the idli molds. Once we pour this idli batter, we'll steam cook it. The recipe in detail is on my blog, and the recipe is also posted in the description box below this video along with all the ingredients used for this recipe. Do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. My social media handles are in the description box below this video. Also like and follow Freedom Refined Sunflower Oil. I'll post their website and all their social media handle links in the description box below this video. Once we finish pouring the idli batter, we have assembled the idli stand. We have locked it, and we'll place the idli stand in the pressure cooker. We'll steam cook it for 5 to 10 minutes or until the center part of the idli is well done. So how do you check for idlis if it's well done? We take a knife or a sharp skewer, dip it in water, and we prick the center portion of the idli to check if it is sticky. So if it is very sticky and raw, you'll find out. If it is well done, it won't stick to your instrument. So now the idlis are done. We are going to serve it. We'll sprinkle a little bit of water before scooping out the idlis, and also apply oil or water to your spoon before scooping out the idlis. It will scoop out easily. Now we are going to demold these idlis and serve it. I prepared 3 different chutneys for this recipe. I prepared coriander and coconut chutney, a white coconut chutney, and a red chili onion chutney for this recipe. Now my idlis are served. I've added generous amount of ghee. This idlis turned out really good. The recipe in detail is on my blog and in the description box below this video. Do try this recipe, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I must thank Freedom Sunflower Oil for associating with me on this recipe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.